Okay, so we're going to extend again our understanding as far as this chapter for differentiating trig functions is concerned. In this chapter, we're going to see how best we can find the derivative of sec of a certain function. So what is the derivative of sec x? We know from what we have covered previously that the derivative of sec x is basically sec x tan x. What about if it's now a composite function? What is the derivative of sec of f of x? So recall from the chain rule, the derivative of sec of f of x. By chain rule, we can get, we have to find the derivative of f of x first. So here the derivative of sec of f of x, we have to find the derivative of f of x first. Once we get the derivative of f of x, then we multiply by sec of f of x as well as by tan of f of x. Recall that the derivative of sec x is basically sec x tan x. So if it's now a composite function, the derivative of sec of f of x, it gives us the derivative of f of x, then we multiply by sec of f of x and tan of f of x. Okay, so here the derivative of f of x, we get f of x prime times sec of f of x times tan of f of x. So that's our solution. Let's take a closer look at this example. So how are we going to find the derivative of sec of 3x minus 7? So this is equivalent to the derivative of this. You have to find the derivative of 3 minus 7x, right? And then we multiply that result by sec of 3 minus 7x times tan of 3 minus 7x. And we know that the derivative of 3 minus 7x straight away give us minus 7. So our solution will be minus 7 sec of 3 minus 7x times tan of 3 minus 7x. So yes, that's how we differentiate sec of a certain function. That's awesome.